always buy junk, but when I do, this is what we get.
Welcome into Two Wheel Drive Garage. So we were talking about how we are going to get this 67 Mustang Body Swapped. It's back there in the garage. We found our donor car, and somebody was nice enough to do half the work for us already. So that's pretty exciting. Got it kind of covered up. This thing has dents on every panel. I think that out of this car, we can get a headlight and a turn signal.
Maybe.
One more headlight. Said we got handles. Oh, and we have one taillight. That's about it. It's gonna help Dorothy keep life, and we're gonna help this stay alive. So we're just gonna marry the two cars together, and it's gonna be fine.
I think a good power washing would be great, but that radiator support is junk. Oh, you can get a real good push underneath of it.
Oh boy.
I think I can fix it. That's probably why. It's not even tight.
That is loose as loose can be.
That's why it won't start.
Loosey goosey.
Oh, we gotta get a battery anyway. But yeah, here it is.
One battery?
This is it. The old 4.6 V8. Wow. She sounds good too. I think I'm gonna keep this.
Yeah.
And clean it.
Yeah.
And then paint it like
purple.
No, black.
Aw.
And then airbrush on there, like Dorothy.
You should do a little Wizard of Oz scene.
Kind of cool for like car shows. It's not gonna be perfect, but you know, I don't know what all that is back there. What's this going on here? It's dirty. And I know everybody's gonna tell me you can't put a 67 Mustang on basically a Crown Vic. I'm like, yes I can. I know the Crown Vic's longer and the Mustang's not, so this is 114 inches in wheelbase. The Mustang's 109. 109.
108?
It's 108, yeah. It's like 108.5. So I know I gotta put 6 inches in it. I know that.
And to that we say challenge accepted.
It'll be fine. I can do it.
It's fine. We're fine. Everything is fine.
I need a daily driver. That's fast.
I think that this car has the most character I have ever seen out of a single car.
It was abused.
There is some artwork on the hood. It's got pinstripes. I just realized that. This is a fancy one.
Is this an 03?
I don't remember.
I don't remember either.
It is a
something.
Oh, Grand Marquis.
It's an wait.
It's an 08.
Where's the tag here?
Not 08.
It's an 03.
Wait.
It's an 03.
03. Let's take a look at the inside, see how awful that is. It does not smell good.
No, it
not
stinks.
at all.
It stinks real bad. I can't leave it all. No. Look at the puddles back there.
Oh,
it's full of water. Oh yeah.
Gross.
Throw a bug bomb in here tonight, let it go off in there.
Exhaust.
Yeah, that's part of it.
Nice. This is our new panoramic sunroof that we have. They helped us by putting that in. It extends all the way up to the front cowl.
I wish they would have cut off this too. That'd be great.
That would have been nice of them.
Nice of them. All the way.
Due to all the water in the floorboards, Eric picked something up and a bunch of mosquitoes came out. So it's time to bug bath. Fire in the hole.
We'll let that marinate for a minute.
Sounds good. Well, we got the Mustang pushed out. Got the F350 pushed out. Both of those. Actually, we'll drive this one in. We don't even have to push it.
No, we're driving that.
So before we drive this in, got to get all of that cleaned out.
Yeah, but remember that over there. Look.
We're building an addition to the garage. This is where the toolboxes and the workbenches and stuff will go. And then that way, we'll have so much more room for activities.
Okay.
Perfect. You may look at this car.
Oh no.
You may look at that car and say, how will they do it? We don't know. We are gonna find out. It's a good thing you got a plasma cutter.
Why did the door come open? I can't even get the water out of there. Is that one open? It's jammed. Hold on.
When in doubt, crowbar it out.
It's really jammed in there.
It's got wheels.
Oh, it's sitting on frame.
Now that we have it inside the garage, it's time to take off the fenders and the bumpers. All the doors are already off. Take off this bumper, tail lights. Already got the trunk off.
Need all this. I'm gonna go ahead and take it. Document this. This is the ground we need to put back on.
That
Okay.
has to go back on.
Yes. So when we go back,
Documentation.
you'll be like, why is it not starting? It's just to move everything out of the way for now. Alright. So now, take this off. There. Take this off. Take this one off. Get that out of the way for now. Then, let's see what else. That should come out. So, it looks like there's a tie bar dang on here. Maybe that holds the fender. There's like 6 or 7 under here. Huh. You see the radiator? There's dents in there. I'm excited about this project. Probably more excited than I've ever been on a project. Alright, so the fender is loose. Looks like you got something up here. Over here. And I think this bumper should slide off once we get the other side off too.
Okay.
Let me go get a ratchet. It's been a really hot day, like it's finally looks like it's cooling off.
I think it's just because we're in the shade. We're not
Man, it's been brutal.
in the sun at all anymore. And we have fans going.
So it looks like there's a little stupid one right there. Look at how little that is. Good grief. What size is that?
6.
Well, it's a 5.5.
You good?
I wasn't expecting it to come out like that. Dude. Trying to kill me. You want to do the other side?
Yeah, I'll put the other side.
Let's go. Oh, there's another one.
Oh,
Where's my little pulley thing? Right there. I don't know if you can get with that. You have to use a wrench.
alright.
Sock off. One more. Right there. Right here.
Okay.
Got a lot done, Stevie.
We did get a lot done. We got a lot done. We got all the doors off. We've got the fenders off. We got the front off. As you can see, we're going to need to replace the condenser of the radiator and I believe the lower radiator support. Oops. And other fenders off, doors in the back. So for the most part, we got like the movable parts off of it. So we've got a good starting point. As always, thanks for watching Two Wheel Drive Garage. We really appreciate all the new subscribers. Make sure you like, comment, let us know what you think. Can it be done?
Oh,
It can be done. It's gonna be done.
It's gonna be done.
Thank you as always. If you made it to the end of the video, you're awesome. We really appreciate you. And we will see you next time for part 2.